Hey guys, it's me Ruby May here. Today I'm going to be making slime. I've already made slime and turned out really good actually. So so what you will need is to make slime is PVA glue, craft glue, let's get it. Some shaving foam, already use it, contact solution, and then, well, if you want to, you can use food colouring. I've got red or green, or we've got orange in the cupboard, and we don't want to use that today. So let's get started. So let me put how much glue you want in there.
No, you haven't even cleared it out.
You don't need to.
Yes, you do.
You don't.
Yes, you do.
You don't. Right. So I'll put like that much glue in. Don't need to clear it out. And then next you'll need some contact solution in, and then a few drops of that. And then you will need to mix it. So yeah. And then next you will need the shaving foam. So pour that in. Some of it. You need quite a few of it, like that much, to make it get together, and it is actually getting together already. So I'm actually glad that I'm making slime today. It's actually getting together already, guys, as you can see. So cool. I haven't added any food colouring in yet. I will do that in a minute. So yeah. I'm gonna stand up. Well, not stand up, but I might sit in my chair so that you guys can see me properly. So as you can see, guys, it is actually getting together now. So it's a t-shirt. It will be washed. Will come out. And yeah, so basically now I'm going to add, I don't want green in, I want red in. When you put a little bit in, it turns out like a little bit pink. So I'm not going to put too much in, otherwise it will be like really dark. I don't want that. Yeah. So it is getting together. So like, yeah. So it's getting together. And my brother in the background is making slime too. But he's all over the table. He's really messy. But anyways, so yeah, it's getting together. I might need a little bit more stuff to go in it. So like, I'm gonna add a little bit more of this in. Mix again. If I keep on mixing, and it will turn out perfect. See, it's turning out perfect now.
Oh my god.
It's gone over. Jake's slime has gone all over the chair. Literally. But has it gone all over the floor? No. Good. Sorry, that would take forever to get out. It's getting together. Oh, I'm so excited. This is how my other slime turned out as. It's good, but yeah. Turning out better. Yeah. I'm not going to use my hands until a minute. Until it's like proper got together. So more contact solution in. And it will get together properly. That's getting together properly now. So this is nearly all of it. So, I'll just show you guys. That's all of it there. I don't know if you guys seen that, but I've made slime. So yes, I'm going to use my hands now. See if I get all of that off onto the bowl. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be really cool and nice and slime. Hopefully anyway. So it's actually slime. It's a bit sticky. Still slime though. God, that's so sticky. Still slime. I don't know if it's pokeable, but I don't actually care if it's not pokeable or not. Oh yeah, I made Darcy some slime and it turned out pretty good. So yeah, using my hands, guys, look at my hands. A little bit sticky, but I think it will turn out like slime. So yes. So I'm going to put this in the pot with all of my other slime, and hopefully it'll be good. So you can tell this is slime because when you want it to come off and you're finished with it, it comes off of your hands pretty well. So that's what my brother said, and it is actually true. So, because I tried and it comes off pretty good. So that's proper slime. It didn't all come off because it's not like... get off me, look. But it's good slime, so yeah. Got much long enough. So, sorry, just singing background on X Factor. Slime. This is the first time we made slime. That's not the first time. I made slime once before and it turned out like a massive fail because we didn't have glue. That was why. And I was like 8 then. I am nearly 10 now. So basically now I'm 9. So yeah. Okay, gonna clean my hands. Be back in a minute. Right, I'll be back in a minute, guys. Stay there. I'm joining me alone. See you in a minute, guys. Guys, I am back, and all I need now is just a towel to dry my hands. No, you can't see me yet because I'm not near the camera. So now I'm going to put. So now, guys, I'm going to put the slime in the little pot, and I will be playing with it. And more slime, guys. I can't believe I've actually made more. Brilliant slime. And after this, guys, I have to clean up. But obviously loads of people will if they make slime. People don't, then comment down below in the video. So yeah, that's my video done. My video, slime done, I mean. And I'm going to be showing you guys, talking to you guys about stuff. And about like subscribing and yeah, like I'm new to this channel and stuff. Basically, yeah. I can't believe I've actually made slime. It's the best day of my life, as usual. If you guys make slime, then if you guys have made slime before, comment in the comments me. And then I may give you a shout out. So yes, I will give you a shout out, and yeah, and say any comment as well what you like. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, comment down me if you have made slime before, and then yeah, thank you guys. Right, and yeah, so basically what I want to talk to you guys about is I am new to this channel, and basically I have been on a YouTube video before with LA Fish 102, I think her channel is, I don't know, not really sure, and go subscribe her and follow her. She's really, well, she makes quite short videos, and there's one of me and her at the skate park with the same top on as I got on now, I think, anyway. And yeah, so yeah, and yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Hang on, just gonna wash my hands and then gonna press end. So see you in a minute. I will, yeah, so basically I'm gonna be there. So guys, I am back, and I have to clean my parts up. I will clean my bits. So yeah, thanks for watching. Remember what I said, I'm new to this channel. Go follow, subscribe to Ellie, like, subscribe, comment down below me if you've made slime, or any love, hate comments, and I'll give you guys a shout out. Bye. What next week video? Oh, my face wet. Well, hope so you guys watch my video. Bye.